Actually, need to do them. The last time when I did it, I had all the teal tires on. Something else. Keep going. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, doing a bike check for 2019. My name's Ernie Harlin, also known as Hello Kick Flipper on Instagram. Ride for Hello Crew. And I'm doing a bike check. For my frame, I got the Fit Vegan frame, 2018, my bad. 20.75 top tube, and a 12.7 back end. It's really light, comfortable ass frame. Best frame I ever bought. For my forks, I got the Fit Blade forks, 25mm offset. No, 33. Sorry about that. My headset, got the Colt headset, the everyday one. Got Fit top load stem. Never ran a front load stem. That makes my riding like so much different. Got the Fit Scumbag bars, 9.420. Cut them down to 27 wide. Super comfortable. Don't need bars, but really comfortable still. I got the Sunday grips. I don't know what the Sunday grips are. All I know is they're in gum with Merit insert bar ends. Strongest plastic bar ends I ever ran. For my cranks, I got the Merit Battle cranks, 165mm offset. They come in left-hand and right-hand drive. Only color is black. Come with these little plugs so you don't cut up your ankles. Really good. Got the Fit Key guard sprocket, 28 tooth. Best 28 tooth sprocket I ever ran. Or 28 guard sprocket. Merit P1 pedals. Best pedals out there. All I've ran so far. Merit bottom bracket. Got a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Only chain I suggest to get. Best chain. Never really broken a Shadow chain before. Just got a new one because of the color. Got Merit seat post. Matte race seat. Sabrosa. My back wheel, I got the Colt Match free coaster. Laced to a battle rim. Merit battle rim. It's like the best free coaster I've had. Really good with kick flips. Best one I had for kick flips. My hub guard is Cinema hub guard that goes on the outside of the frame. Got a Colt just a Colt D hard tire. And 2.35 with some Colt butter pegs on the back. My front wheel, I got the G-Sport roll cage rim laced to a Merit nonstop front hub. Some more Colt butter pegs on the front. And a Fit peg on this side actually. Best pegs out there. Another Colt D hard tire. They're both in gum. Got the Merit tension hub guards. Best guards I ever ran. They like work on almost any front wheel. Almost. That's keyword. Almost. Yeah. So it's 2019 and did this bike check. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.